our national champion 2025, that is Bante Kanjua. So he's been a 3-time champion, and he has been the only champion from Northeast and been representing Shillong and Meghalaya, and we're pretty proud of him. So I think he's leading the younger generation from Northeast and Meghalaya as a whole, and we are looking forward to, since he's part of the MRF Supercross, we're looking forward to building the Supercross over here in the next few years to come, and we're looking forward for Bante to train the young riders from our state. And we are also thankful for MRF for giving us this chance to host a Supercross in the Northeast, which we are hoping and looking forward to, having MRF in the Northeast area sometime again in the future.
Alongside the competitions, we will be starting off with band performances from 3 to 5, and the official flag-off of the race will be at 5:30 sharp. So it is a night show, as I had mentioned.
The venue?
The venue is at Madan Kurkalam.
Can you also tell us on the potential of the sports in this part of the region?
Okay, so as I said, we have been wanting to come and explore this the situation of the riders here and all that, and I went to the practice tracks since I've been here for over a week and doing preparations for the event. I've gone to the practice tracks and all that, and I have seen a lot of potential. And thanks to Bantai that he's putting in a lot of effort to get a lot of riders from the Northeast. And he's training them, he's got a track, so I was very, very impressed. They were also riding with proper gear. The motorcycles were also up to the standard. So we have, during a national championship event, we have very strict standards for the way the motorcycle is prepared and the safety gear. So especially the federation sends the technical delegates and the scrutineers to check and scrutinize every aspect of the motorcycle as well as the protective gear.
Can you share a little bit about the standard of the track, the circuit, and the obstacle that they have?
I'm sorry, I didn't.
The track, the circuit, and the obstacle that they have, these players have to go through.
Okay, so the track, especially in Shillong, is consisting of 10 jumps, 1 tabletop and a cut tabletop. Because of the rains, we couldn't, unfortunately, we couldn't do a section of the whoop-de-doos. That means a section of the rumblers, which is very good to see. And the track is about 750 meters long. We have different laps for the different sections. The junior levels will have probably 4 laps, where the seniors and professional riders will have about 8 laps. So I hope, as I said, I hope the track holds, because there will be a lot of slush. It will be slippery. It adds all adds to the fun.
What about the bikes? The kind of bike that you have modified, you have novice, you have...
Okay, so especially in the Indian National Supercross Championship, we have 2 groups. One is a Group A and one is a Group B. Group A is only for foreign motorcycles, which is a different category. And the category is also for the professionals, the privateers, and the junior category. It's all Group A. The novice, the locals, then the Indian experts and all that is Group B. Group B is modified Indian motorcycles, which are modified only for Supercross, with definitely tires, studded tires, the safety aspect with the handlebars. The technical delegate will check whether it is race-worthy, and again, the different CCs, the categories will depend on different CCs, 260cc, 165cc. So these are the categories.